Let's see.
We're in Santa Monica, or close to Marina del Ray in LA, and this is a big water burst. I personally never seen one before.
That is awesome!
Look, it's hitting the light post. Man, that's crazy. How does stuff like that happen? Everyone's taking pictures or something.
That's crazy!
From a distance, I thought it was like a, you know, some kind of water fountain display or something. And then I saw it hitting the lamppost and I'm like, wait a minute, that's not right.
Look at all the water on the ground.
Okay, stop filming.